10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ben. Ingat. God bless.
Stay healthy.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Kanta bilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tabet. Happy birthday, Bet.
Macy naman. Happy birthday, Tabet.
Say.
Tabet. Ikaw din.
Ikaw din.
Yeah.
Lola JJ.
Lolo Jay din.
Ay, ikaw magpakita ka na. Lian.
Lian. Labas Lian.
Labas Lian. Lian. Oh, bilis. Good ka na. Ay, may sarili daw siya.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, happy
Blow
birthday
out,
ulit.
Tabet, ah. Blow out. Sabihin mo, Tabet, blow out po. Blow out po.
Si.
Blow out po.
Oh, KK din.
Sige, sige. Blow out po.
Okay, bye-bye.
Tabet, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Ingat palagi. God bless po.
Hi Tabet, happy birthday.
Hello Tabet, happy birthday to you. I wish that your day gets better and better as you live because you deserve it. And always make sure na you take care of your health, not just physically but also your mind kasi it's important na you're healthy in every way. So, happy birthday Tabet. I love you.
Hi Ninang, dalaga na yung inaanak mo. Happy birthday sa iyo, good health and more blessings to come. Thank you, happy birthday ulit na.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Namiss ka na namin. Sana makabalik ka po dito. Namiss ko na yung mga libre mo, Tita Beth. Happy birthday po. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bet. God bless you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday na.
Okay.
God bless you.
Love you.
Makauwi ka dito,
Love you.
Tita Beth. Gusto namin baka
Yan lang.
libre mo.
Libre mo
Pasalubong
kami.
chocolate.
Pajabi naman dyan.
Uwi na sa Jollibee.
Okay na?
Yes, okay.
Hello Marlene, happy birthday. Sana marami pang dadaan na maligaya sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat. At nandiyan ka, nandiyan din ang anak ko. Kaya wala kami may regalo sa'yo kundi batiin ka na. Happy birthday, Marlene. Salamat sa lahat, Marlene. Happy birthday. Oh.
Hi, happy good days, mga anak. Hi Marlene, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marlene. Sana marami pang birthday umabot sa iyo. Sana maligaya kayong araw na ito. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Marlene. Enjoy your day and ingat kayo palagi dyan. Ate, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Happy birthday, Ate Marlene. Mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan at talagaan niyo po lagi yung sarili niyo.
Happy birthday, Tita Marlene. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Hello po, Ate Marlene. Happy birthday po, Ate Marlene. Sana po okay po kayo dyan. Tsaka gabayan po ni Panginoon na palagi po kayo malisog sa araw-araw. Ayun lang po, Ate Marlene. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to Marlene. I wish you the beautiful day and good health, happiness, and ingat palagi, and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Birthday, Marlene. Happy birthday, Marlene.
Khalid.
Ben, hindi mo, happy birthday, Marlene. Sa'yo na tayo. Ben, kaya.
Happy birthday, Marlene. Wish ko sa'yo good health and ingat ka palagi. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ninang Marlene. Ingat ka palagi. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello, Ate Marlene! Happy birthday po! I hope to see you sa December. Sana makita tayo sa Dubai. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Ate Marlene. Mag-ingat kayo palagi ni Ate. God bless. Saka happy birthday po sa inyo. Ate, ingat.
Hi Marlene, happy birthday sa'yo. Siya na ngayon ako nakabati kasi busy ako. Sana lagi ka mag-ingat din. More birthday to come to you. And I miss you to all, lalo na si Isa. Kayong dalawa. Miss ko na kayo sana makasama ko kayo all time. Banding tayo tatlo. And happy birthday sa'yo. Sana huwag magbabayad. Thank you sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa akin. Suporta. Yan, thank you. And happy birthday sa'yo talaga. I love you much. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Tandaan niyo lagi ako nandito para sa inyo. Yan. I love you and more birthdays to come to you, Marlene. I love you very much. Kaya na ngayon ko lang nasingit kasi busy, nagka-cash forward, timitim na nga eh. Hindi na nga makapagpagkapit dahil nga may mga busy ginagawa pa. Yan, basta lagi mong tatandaan, more birthdays to come and ingat kayo lagi. And ingat kayo dyan, lalo na lindol lahat, bagyo. Thank you and happy birthday and I love you. Bye, happy birthday.
Hi Marlene, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthday to ka. Uwi na kayo, di na kami galit.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Nay! Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa akin ng bata pa ako. Natatandaan ko nung baby pa ako. Inuugoy-ugoy mo ako. Tapos paggabi, gumigising ka pa ng maaga para pagtimpla na ako ng gatas. Ganon din yung kambal kong si Karen. Pero ngayon, salamat sa pagpapalaki sa aming dalawa na kambal. Thank you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Marlene! Get out! Bukas ay karawan ng nag-iisa kong best friend. Hindi ko pwedeng hindi batiin. Happy birthday, kumare. Na-miss ko na yung mga memories natin together. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord na maraming pang birthday. Makasama sa yung anak nyo, si Aki. Miss ko na yung bonding natin from Philippines until nandito tayo sa Abu Dhabi. Miss na kita, Mare. Magkalapit na yung bahay natin pero hindi na ako nakakagawin dyan sa bahay. Miss na kita. At sana every time na naalala ko talaga yung mga natin sabi mas bata. Naiyak ko sorry. Miss na kita. Ikaw yung nandun sa mga nung mga panahon na wala ako. Lagi kang nandoon. Hindi kita makakalimutan. Happy birthday. Naiiyak talaga ako. Kasi nung wala ako, ikaw lang yung nalapitan ko. Ikaw lang yung laging nandiyan para sa akin. Hindi ko pala makakapagpag sa birthday mo, pero sana masaya ka.
Happy birthday, madam! More birthday to come! God bless! Mwah-mwah! Chuk-chuk! Happy birthday!
Hi, Miss Marlene. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Sana maging mas malakas ka pa sa susunod na mga taon at wish ko more birthdays to come and healthy. And ayun, sorry naman sa background ko. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. God bless.
Hoy, Madam Marlene, happy birthday!
Hi! Maring Marilyn, happy birthday. Happy sweet 16th birthday. And I wish you all the best, good health, and God bless. Thank you. Sana'y mabusog mo si Melissa, ang kumare ko. Bye!
Hi Marlene, happy birthday! Ingat kayo palagi na Besh. Miss ko na kayo.
Madam, happy birthday. Wish ko sana sa'yo ay lagi kang healthy and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, madam. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Marlene. Wish ko sa'yo na ingat palagi. Then, ingatan mo din yung health mo. Alam mo na, hindi tayo bumabata. Iwas sa sugar. Basta, nandito lang kami. Anytime you need help. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Marlene! Ingat po lagi. We wish you all the best in your life. Be good health and we miss you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ma'am Marlene, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and of course always healthy at saka happy ako kasi going strong kayong dalawa, sama-sama kayong lumalaban sa buhay, laban-laban lang, and enjoy your day.
Hi, Ma'am Marlene. Greetings from Malta, Europe. Happy birthday.
Marlene, happy birthday! I wish you... Hello, Ma'am Marlene! Happy birthday! God bless you! Happy birthday! Hi, Ma'am Marlene! Happy birthday! God bless! Greetings from Philippines! Hi, Nay! It's me, ang iyong anak. Shades ako para may iba naman. Happy birthday! I miss you, Nanay! Happy birthday, Ma'am Marlene! I miss you!
Hi Ma'am Marlene, happy birthday! Wishing you all the great things in life. I hope this day will bring you an extra shine of all that makes you happy. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Marlene. How are you? Just wanna greet you. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Miss Marlene. Naalala mo picture na yan. Ma'am Badjaw. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Miss Marlene. Nagulat ka, no?
Okay, first of all, bago ko bumate ng heartfelt happy birthday, to be honest, I am really, really grateful na nakilala ka namin ni Melody. Very, 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 very humble person at maalagain. Maraming salamat sa mga paalala bago kami umalis ng Pinas, at through you nakapunta kami sa Abu Dhabi at nagsimula yung career namin. Di ka namin makakalimutan, di kita makakalimutan. Miss Marlene, thank you sa lahat ng tulong, sa lahat ng reminders sa amin at sa pag-alaga sa amin. Wish ko ay good health palagi at hindi na tayo bumabata, patanda na tayo. And success always, and happiness, and joy, and peace, and love, everything na deserve mo ngayong taon. At maraming salamat ulit. Happy birthday to you!